How to fix mobile view on Shopify, resize images and videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can fix your view on Shopify, okay, specifically the mobile view, where we can resize our images and our videos. So we're going to be talking about that in great depth and detail. So please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end to get the in detail and in-depth analysis of this. So all you're going to do is once you're over here, you're going to come on the left hand side where it's going to show you this eye beyond the online store. You're going to click on the eye. Once you click on the eye, obviously you can see this is a normal view store, right? So now you're going to click on online store, come here, click on customize. Once you click on customize, it's going to open up the online store editor. So what you're going to do is you're going to come on this right hand side corner over here and it's going to give you three options: desktop, full screen, mobile. So you're going to switch over to mobile, and here you can see you get the mobile view and you can start adjusting things accordingly to whatever the aspect ratio of your mobile devices are. So yeah, this is how you can work with mobile devices and how you can change the aspect ratio and settings. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.